This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stove-top burner, microwave, DVD player, water heater, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, LP detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is 11,377 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.